Hi, I'm Carrie for Graham & Graham LLC. Thank you so much for your interest in this exciting career opportunity. If you have a desire to help people in one of the fastest growing, recession-proof businesses in the United States, then this opportunity may be right for you. We are seeking kind, caring, and self-motivated individuals to join our amazing team of elder care consultants. Our consultants help families through the overwhelming process of finding the right care options for their aging loved ones. This career opportunity is extremely enriching because you will be providing seniors and their families with a valuable and free service in their time of need. Due to our aging population, the senior care industry is booming and will continue to grow well into the foreseeable future. The specific details of this career opportunity are all outlined on this page. If after reviewing this information, you believe that you are the right person for this position, then please complete the form on this page, upload a resume if possible, and your application will be seriously considered. Thanks again for visiting Graham & Graham LLC.